What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk a little bit about this kit that I just finished. Finally finished the Firebird. Calling it the Snow Day Slump Buster Burnt Out Bird. Just rolls right off the tongue. Not a bad kit. The AMT, it's actually pretty cool in comparison to, this Revell that I've built this before. Definitely a nice detailed kit. The fitment was a little tight, whereas this AMT was exactly not that. Kind of went together pretty well. The stance is a little wonky, but that's just my doing. It's not some of my cleaner work by any means. I had zero faith in the decals, as always, and I got to that point and I tried them and they worked. I'm like, well, okay, cool, let's just push through. But other than that, I was just kind of trying to push through, like I just said, to just get it done, to get through the slump, get through the burnout, and see if I was interested in doing more, which, I kind of am now. I've built this kit before, like I just said. Did I say that? I don't know. It's nice. This new release is cool. It's got some very cool decals. It's got the bird there. I don't know how accurate that is, but it's a nice kit in that it's got ladder bars and the blowers and all kinds of hot rod stuff. It's pretty sweet. But that is not what's coming up. We'll talk about that in a bit. Real quick, this kit was pretty neat in that the leftovers, I got a straight 6 out of the deal, so that's kind of cool. It came with 2 engines, came with 2 engine options, which that's always nice to see. Which will be used somewhere. I'm not sure where, but we'll see. We'll see where that goes. This was a good build. I mean, a Firebird is kind of my favorite. I've always sort of leaned towards the underdog, and these were, in my eyes, cooler than the Camaros and the Mustangs and the stuff of the day that you see. Firebirds are bitching. What do I do next? I don't know. I grabbed something just a quick and dirty, something easy. Looks like I'd already been in it before and had ideas. Opened it up and looked. I'm like, well, it's got some nice decals. That's faux show. But this is a nothing, kid. There's nothing to it. This would be, not that I won't do it and won't enjoy it and make it neat. A lot of what's going on right now is it's a matter of material on hand and what catches my eye. And this one, I had recently posted a few kits on eBay that were duplicates and figured, whatever, I'll sell off some of the doubles I have. And I was walking by, and you know what? The eBay thing was an absolute waste of time, waste of money, waste of everything. Nope, not going to do it. So, walking past the stash the other day, this one kind of caught my eye. I'm like, I do have the materials to pull that off. I've got the yellow, got the black. And it turns out I've never really even been in it. It's still in its plastic. And a quick glancing at it, this seems to be one of those hidden gem Revells. A lot of the construction and the stuff seems very much like the 66 Impalas, or, it's got some nice details. And in light of having those colors, and those wheels actually look pretty cool. I do dig them. I went through my stash and saw if there's other stuff that would work, or maybe work better. But you know what? In the interest of keeping it simple, stupid, just keep going. It's a cool kit. I love wagons. Big long roof fan. Got this one done. Can put it into circulation out on the shelf somewhere. As the videos I've shown, I had to jump through some hoops to make it have an engine and stuff, but it's a cool kit if you can find one. It's got the 400 extras. You know, it's got the cool hood, it's got the side scoops, the wing, the stripes, and incidentally, I think I put that wing on backwards. I did. And I kind of boogered the back. I wasn't able to give it a blue butt, and I forgot the shifter, and wham. Whatever. It's cool. You know, 20 feet, 20 seconds. It's an awesome model. So that's about it. Just wanted to post something real quick. And, you know, as always, there's a brief slideshow of some of the build for this. I've already posted other videos to it, but just to get to this point. And some finished photographs of it. We'll get it out, get it on the shelf somewhere, put it next to a Camaro because it looks way cooler. And I think we're going to crack into this wagon. That's about it. Thanks for watching.